Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and you're taking care of yourself as always. In today's video I'm gonna show you what I received in my Boxycharm box this month. I'm gonna try to do it quick and simple, easy going. There's gonna be a giveaway at the end, so don't forget to check that out and participate because you never know, you might be the winner. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is the box that comes in every month, and I already know what's in it because I opened it, but I'm just gonna show you. It comes with this card. It says Boxycharm in the front, and over here you get like the name, like the theme of the box this month, and you get the description of each product. So you receive 5 products and they give you the description of each, the original price. So first we have the Pause No More vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask from Dr. Brent. I tried it this morning before I did my makeup and I really like it. After using it, I can say that it refined and kind of unclogged my pore. It cleared my pore and made my face appear smoother. So I like it and I'm gonna continue to use that. So next we have this high definition liquid lipstick. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful color and it's kind of a pinky nude. I'm not gonna swatch it, but you will know why at the end of the video. Next we have the Tortoise Pro Glow liquid highlighter. It's in the shade Exposed. It's a light gold color. It's a bit too light for my skin tone, but I think it's a really good product. You can do whatever you want with it because it's kind of liquidy. You can add in your foundation or you can just use it to highlight. Next we have the Brow Gal tinted brow gel with microfibers. It's in the shade Brown Hair 02. On this it said that it's perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel to their brows. So I'm gonna test that out and tell you guys how it was in one of the next videos. And last, we have the ColourPop Golden State of Mind shadow palette. So let me open it for you guys. I think you know, but I will tell you anyways. But ColourPop has like very good eyeshadow, very good lipstick, very good liner. I love their brand. It's affordable. This is what the palette looks like. You have the name of the shade on the back. Oh, there's no mirror, but that's fine. It's ColourPop. This is the palette. They are all shimmers, but you have every shade you could need. You can use them as highlighter, anything you want. And I really like the colors because I like ColourPop so much. When this palette came out, I already bought it, so I can already tell you that the shadows are really great. So that was it. That was those 5 products that I received on my Boxycharm box this month. Now let's get into the giveaway. I like to give back to people I love, and so I like to give back to my friends. I'm always buying makeup, so I have a bunch of makeup in my room, and because my room is not that big, I don't have many storage, so I don't like to keep doubles of my products. One is enough for me. In this box there's 3 products that I'm not gonna really use. One, this palette because I have it already. The Tortoise Pro Glow in the shade Exposed because I already know it's gonna be a bit too light for my skin tone. The third thing is the lipstick. I have so many lipstick in this shade, in this exact shade. I'm not gonna keep it. I know one of you guys is gonna enjoy this, so I hope you will enjoy and participate to this giveaway anyways, even if it's not big, I hope you will appreciate it. So to participate, it's really simple. You will have just to take a screenshot of this part, right now, of this, this picture right now, and you're gonna post it on Insta with the hashtag that's gonna appear here, and you're gonna tag 3 friends, minimum, on the post. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it because I enjoyed filming it. I loved you guys, and I hope seeing you in the next video. Bisous bisous, bye.